Eid Mubarak. As you prepare for your Qurbani and delicious feasts, stop and think. Are you handling your meat safely? Whether you're in a warm climate or a cooler one mistake could turn your celebration into a serious health issue. Don't risk it. Watch this now. No one wants to spend Eid recovering from food poisoning. Bacteria multiply fast on fresh meat, especially in warmer temperatures. But here's the good news. Keeping your meat safe is simple. In this quick video, I'll give you the top 3 absolutely essential steps to handle your Eid meat safely, wherever you are in the world. You need to follow these. Step number 1. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Always use clean, sharp tools for processing your Qurbani meat. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling raw meat. Keep your entire processing area clean, and dispose of any waste promptly and hygienically. Cleanliness is your first line of defense. Step number 2, smart storage is key. Get that raw meat into a refrigerator or freezer as quickly as possible, ideally within 1 to 2 hours of processing, especially if you're in a warm climate. Store it in clean, sealed containers on the bottom shelf of your fridge to prevent any drips onto other foods. If you're not cooking it within a few days, freeze it to keep it safe for months. Step number 3, cook it right every time. Don't guess if your meat is done. Use a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches a safe internal temperature. This kills harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. Always cook poultry and ground meat to 75 degrees Celsius. For whole cuts of beef, lamb, or goat, 63 degrees Celsius is a minimum, followed by a 3-minute rest. No raw spots, so there you have it. Keep it clean, store it smart, and cook it thoroughly. By following these simple but critical steps, you can ensure a healthy and happy Eid al-Adha for you and your loved ones, no matter where you are in the world. Don't let food safety be an afterthought. What are your essential meat safety tips for Eid? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more useful content. Eid Mubarak.